in the local word we say ta'aun. So the rattan when they are young, they're really spiky, and the rattan they use the spine to hook to other tree for the plant itself growing up. Okay, everyone, this tree called samrong tree. Okay.
Oh. Yeah, Abdubam. Đã bên mặt ra khi bên đã bên mà rồi.
The macaques are just warning us. I was really clear. This is like, hey, fucking monkey. I fucking fight them. No, not in this. It's too brackish. They wouldn't like it. I don't know. He's about 3 metres, and he's got a monkey-sized bump there. Yeah, so you've got a double bed and a twin.
Hello. Wow. Wow. Ba chụp đi xua. Bạn.
Yeah.
Good boy. I've got long legs.
Okay. Right. Well, come on up.
Whatever you recommend.
We're in Bottom Sakura National Park, which is this guy here.
Use the term national park loosely.
Yeah. Chipat's up here. And on Turkden and Trapangurung. So we're this part. We are the blue dot. The 2 red dots are the 2 ranger stations. The other one's about 15 kilometres that way over the mountains. From us to the road is about 7 k's that way. There's no road access here. You could walk, it's about a 10 kilometre walk roughly. About 17 years ago the government sold, or leased, technically 77% of the park to businesses. This area here has also been sold, but we don't know where it is, so these dark areas are all leased. Leon Pat, that lovely guy, King of Kokong, has a rubber plantation across the middle of the park. The Chinese have half the coastline with their big ass airport down here. This, I don't know exactly who owns it. This is someone in the government who was supposed to be doing acacia plantation. This is your typical run-of-the-mill corruption. They do a 1 hectare plot while they cut all the trees down and then bugger off and don't come back. And then the government goes, oh, it's degraded forest now, so we can redesignate it as forests that we can sell to other people.
chào đam trên năm nào từ chạy tụ nông Sitheng liền nha.
Good morning.
No, they're here. Oh, the what?
Mong tặng đi. Hello. Ôi, we husband.
Cardamom forest.
Cardamom forest and river.
Stay upright. Stay straight. Thank you. I'm okay. I do this enough.
Where's the neck? Salabat. Hello, Ben.
Hello, Sitheng.
How about your feeling in Cambodia and here?
I feel fantastic. I love Cambodia.
Wow.
And look at this. You can't not love this. How can you not love this? Early morning, kayak.
Honey. Like fierce animal that like to.
Hollywood.
Hello, dulu na.
បាទសួស្តីខ្ញុំបាទឈ្មោះធាខ្ញុំធ្វើការនៅកន្លែងនេះ Cardamom Tented Camp ហ្នឹងគឺអស់រយៈពេល4ឆ្នាំហើយនៅកន្លែងហ្នឹងគឺស្ថិតនៅក្នុងឧទ្យានជាតិបទុមសាគរនៅក្នុងខេត្តកោះកុងហើយស្ទឹងដែលយើងកំពុងតែអុំលេងហ្នឹងគឺមានឈ្មោះថាព្រែកតាច័ន្ទសកម្មភាពរបស់យើងគឺយើងតែងតែនៅភាពអុំនៅពេលព្រឹកមានរយៈពេល1ម៉ោង20នាទី20នាទី
បាទ
ហើយជាមួយនឹងប្រវែងស្ទឹងដែលយើងអុំថាជា3គីឡូកន្លះ
បាទ
បាទគាត់មកទៀតយើងអុំរួចហើយយើងក៏ទុកកាយ៉ាក់នៅ Ranger Station
បាទ
នៅខាងលើហ្នឹងហើយគេយើងដើរត្រឡប់មកតង់វិញ
បាទក្នុងតាមមាត់ស្ទឹងនេះឃើញមានសត្វផ្សេងជាច្រើនទៀតដែលយើងអាចកយគុណតាមមាត់ព្រែកបាទ
បាទ
ស្អាតមែនតើ
ហ្នឹងហើយបងពេលខ្លះយើងអុំទៅក៏យើងអាចជួបទូចយើងអាចឃើញស្វាយើងអាចឃើញកំប្រុកធំយើងអាចឃើញគេកងហើរ
បាទ
វាអាស្រ័យទៅលើពេលខ្លះក៏យើងឃើញសត្វទៅពេលខ្លះក៏វាមិនឃើញដែរ
បាទ
យើងខ្ញុំមកទីនេះមិនរំពឹងតែឃើញសត្វច្រើនទេប៉ុន្តែគាត់សប្បាយនឹង enjoy ជាមួយនឹងធម្មជាតិ
ធម្មជាតិបាទនេះនៅប្រទេសកម្ពុជាយូរហើយអត់ទាន់ដែលបានដើរលេងសោះធ្វើការរហូតរវល់រហូត
I'll check our link.
បាទ
Hello.
ឥឡូវនាំប្អូនមកនាំបងមកដើរលេង
Hello. Come from check
ណា
our link.
កំពុងដើរលេង
Cook children Sitheng as well.
បាទដើរជាមួយSithengរៀនខ្ជិលជាមួយSitheng
Sitheng បងរៀនក្នុងធ្វើខ្ជិល
បាទគេទៅចោលអស់ហើយនេះគេចៅទូទៅអស់មុនហើយគេទៅអស់ហើយនៅសល់តែនេះ
ជុកទៅមក
បាទគេទៅមុខអស់ហើយ เลื่อนล่างเลื่อนล่างเลื่อนล่าง hurry up เลื่อนล่าง
You have to say it in the right way.
เลื่อนเลื่อนเลื่อนเลื่อนเลื่อนเลื่อน
Got the tree. 'Honey, like a fierce animal that like camel.
I was going to say it'd be dangerous.
Yeah, it's dangerous because tiger and bear are the same thing, but water buffalo aren't, even though they're really dangerous. I said, but they're not ferocious dangerous.
Yeah. Locals aren't scared.
We decided it was people.
Slay.
โอ้
Alice Slay.
โอ้
Big go there, look.
บ้า
Big go.
เคยเคยthôi mình
Quite a while now, my arse says too. Hold on, working just
So this grass is called yes, elephant grass. So elephant grass is very useful for the local people. Local people they harvest elephant grass to make the roof for roofing. For example, we bought roofing from the village that made from this grass. So
You rub your hand down at the cuff. Great. Upwards okay, downwards not. Yeah, big.
Nick, aping, run aping.
Pin, you got pin pin.
อ่ะปิง
Nick nhắm aping. Ở đấy. Ok. Lizard. King.
Oh yeah.
Clan, Nick's got clan on.
ตามตอนไหน
Okay, so this one also useful for the local people, and many clients asking me some animal eat or somebody cut the leaf, but actually it is not. It's how the way the plant growing like this, and it is useful for the local people. So the local people they collect the leaf and use it instead of banana leaf. You can fold it very soft like a banana leaf, you see, and then you can wrap food or make cake, something like that. And also the leaf, especially in the new year, the local people they make hat from the leaf. Yeah. And for the long stem, it's useful for the farmer when they planting rice. So they cut around 1 meter, and then they split it and get the front one, and then split the front one into small pieces. Use it as a string. So yeah, you split it and you dry in the sun, soak in the water, to make it soft and tough, and then tie the rice plant. It's really useful. And also they said like the stem used for the traditional Khmer medicine as well. If you have coughing, you cut it and you boiling with water, make tea and drink it to treat the cough disease.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
We call in English we call mangrove fan palm.
Mangrove.
Fan palm.
Fine.
It's like they live like a fan, mangrove fan palm.
Oh, fan palm. Really sharp.
It's quite soft.
It looks really sharp.
Yeah, in Cambodian we call rum chek. Do you know pendant? Pendant is the same family to the pendant, so it's called pendanicerae. So in Cambodian, in local, they cut the leaf. They cut the leaf to make a sleeping mat.
Oh, right.
Yeah, from a rum chek. Yeah.
Weave.
Yeah, weave it. So
No,
to make
not
a
spikes.
sleeping mat from the pendanicerae, the local people they cut it, and then they take out the spine, and then after that split into pieces and dry in the sun. After it get dry, soak it in water, flat it, and then dye color. What color do you want? And then you weave it flat, just only one piece flat,
Soak it.
and then especially for the farmer, most of the farmer they know how to weave the mat. So how to make the mat, so they cut this leaf and then make a big mat, and then in the season of rice harvesting, they put the mat on the floor, on the ground, and then dry the rice.
Strong.
Rum chế chứ không?
បាទ
Đào rum chế cái thôi cần tiêu này.
ស្គាល់
Sleeping mat, mix can tail.
Tea tree oil. You smell Sitheng? Beautiful. Smell?
អូ
It's nice.
yeah
Yeah. Used for medicine. We use in UK.
អូ in UK
Yeah.
use
Yeah, lots.
អា
Got lots at home.
You get a little jar about that big with tea tree oil. Expensive. The insects go in.
Oh, right.
They can't get out.
Yeah.
It's liquid inside.
Ben, and this is look like a two-year-old boy, strong boy, 2 year.
អូអាហ្នឹងខ្ញុំធ្លាប់ឃើញនៅភ្នំបូកូតែឥឡូវនៅនេះមាន
Yes, an insect go inside. There you go, spider.
នៅជីផាន់មាននៅនេះអូ
Do the lids, is it like a lid?
Lepansi,
Does it close? or
Bukuransi.
No, the liquid just pumping inside.
Okay, so
It dissolves, yeah.
let me tell you about this plant. So this plant is called a pitcher plant, and pitcher plant is part of the leaf. It's not part of the fruit or part of the flower. So this is a small one, and then in this stage, the plant producing the water, and then when they reach in this stage, they got some water here.
Yeah.
Some water.
Yeah.
So they got water. So when they have enough water, the plant start open, and then the leaf, when they open the lip around the leaf, I call the leaf around the leaf, they has the scent to attract the insect. So all the insect, when they come, they go around the leaf, and then falling in slippery, cannot climbing up, and then drown with the water. Also the plant use the water to digest when they got insect as well. So the villager told me like also the water that the plant made is also drinkable. We can drink it. I used to give.
About that,
Yeah, I used to give to the guests drinking, and then I myself drinking as well. But I believe they're still alive after I after they drank the
You
water.
believe it.
Yeah.
But you're still alive anyway.
Still alive anyway. So the water, yeah, is drinkable, and then it tastes like drinking water. No
Oh.
smell, no taste,
អូ
but it's drinkable. And then also the villager, they say like the water inside the plant they use as an eye drop. Yes, eye drop. But it's small for the drinking water, so we don't have big one. I would like him to try it. But it's small one. Yes, they have one. Oh, sorry. What? Hộp tí đó ở đây đi.
អត់សាឡបង
បាទខ្ញុំកាច់ទៅវា
កាច់
កាច់ទៅវារៀងដាច់
យ៉ាអាប់ទូបាម
មែន
យ៉ានេះស្មាន
You like?
យ៉ា
Okay.
No, we have water, but I don't want you to drink the big one because it's
Full of
all
bits.
only
Insects.
open and then might be the water from the rain or insect inside. So usually we drink when it's not open. And then it is water from the plant.
អូខេ
We're going to whole host
ឥឡូវយើងចាក់ទឹកដាក់
Slightly digested.
But this, you want to try, Nick?
Nutrition.
Maybe I'm looking for other one. That one, it has an insect inside already, Nick. Me and Sat.
Don't drink that one.
Don't
he's
drink
saying.
that one,
Yes.
no.
ហឹម
Look at it.
Protein joint. I wouldn't.
No. Very well said, yes.
Go, go, go. There's one.
There is one for Nick, a close one.
Amazing, huh?
ពេលនៅបូកូនេះដូចបងក្តោបបាត់
These lovely little purple flowers are lovely. There you go, Nick.
Nick, Nick.
There you
There you
go.
So you break and drink.
Open the
Top.
open the. Oh, you break it.
កាត់
Doesn't matter.
ចុង
Yeah, it's drinkable.
អូ
I've got my own water.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, it's good.
អូ
Nice.
ដូចគាត់ហ្នឹង
And also the villager, they collect the close one, but the bigger one, and then put the sticky rice in, make cake, and then eat for whole thing with the plant.
Like this.
Yeah. Or they clean, like you got the clean and then
Not with all the bits.
picture plant.
I think they used to drop them as well to save fuel.
It's heavy, yeah. Heavy bomb. More fuel. You bowed about.
He's very knowledgeable.
That's one. That's plant over there on top of the tree. Not on the top, on the tree there.
Yeah.
It is a type of fern.
Oh,
Yeah, type of fern, and then the name is a staghorn fern.
Okay.
because it looks like stuff.
Yeah.
Yes.
So the staghorn, like the leaf, they have two different leaves. So the leaf that hang down like the leaf that look like the horn that's hanging down, it's to produce the spore for the young generation floating in the air and then stuck on the other tree and growing. But for the big leaf that stand around, is standing around like a bowl on purpose to collect the water from the rain in the wet season. It's one thing, and then the other one is they collect also to collect the food from the tree. You know, when the dead leaf of the tree falling in, a lot of dead leaf falling in, and then it stay inside.
Make compost.
Yeah, make compost and then survive. So it is symbiotic. They're not killing the tree. They try to survive by itself.
You know a lot. You have a lot of English too. A lot of English too.
Yeah. So, yeah.
You used to work with Sam Wiesner.
Yeah, I used to work at Songvisna as a bird guy
In Siem Reap
in Siem Reap.
with Sang Moni
Sangmani, yes.
and Sharon Madi.
Sen Madi, yes. My friend. And then COVID, no work. And then I moved here 2022.
Okay.
Yes,
Where
that
do you come from?
See? Siem Reap.
Siem Reap.
Yeah.
You
Siem
are
Reap.
from Siem Reap.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Now you in Siem Reap.
Yeah.
Okay. Hopefully one day I see you in. And I would like to see animal.
Now what did that style?
Oh,
So you couldn't do what you did.
and then told me you just found house. Yeah. And yeah, which village?
In Siem Reap.
Yeah, which you know, which commune or village.
Okay. Keep this house. And then on start our house from that.
Okay.
Mung, still up. Split through mung.
That's square.
Some law mà chu.
ឆ្ងាញ់ណាស់
Nham.
Chew it.
ស្លជាមួយគ្រប់សាច់គ្រប់ប្រភេទទាំងអស់អាចស្លបាន
You curd.
Yeah.
Nice.
Some law mà chu krieng. Ngâm nước nham split through.
Look at it.
Look at it.
The ghosty smell.
So everyone, this tree called Chombok tree, and Chombok tree it had a story from the village. It's related to the belief, and it is also good for the tree as well. The belief said the bad spirit like living inside this tree, so nobody to cut it want to cut it down and building houses or making furniture because they believe that the bad spirit will bring you bad luck. Yeah, will bring you bad luck.
Open up. Yeah,
Yeah.
need some more of those.
Yeah.
Everywhere.
Yeah. So the people, the thing that the people that they want from Chombok tree is charcoal because the charcoal is last long. When you make also when you making charcoal, you burn the tree. It means you burn the bad spirit. But to make and also when you bring the charcoal home, make a fire, all the spirit dead when you burn it. So people they want to buy charcoal. They looking for charcoal which made from
I see.
Chombok. But to make charcoal, it not mean cut big tree to make just a small tree or falling tree. Yeah. Chombok.
Chombok.
Okay, everyone, this tree called Samrong tree. That we making a dessert.
Okay.
So we chop both sides of the fruit and soak it in water, and then later it hydrates and become like a jelly, big jelly. So the samrong is very useful, and a lot of people they can earn a earn a lot of money from the fruit. So and then also some wrong they give fruit only every 5 years. They not give fruit every year. So it had fruit in 2 years ago in 2004. Sorry, in 2024. Sorry. Yeah, 2 years ago it had a fruit 2024. And then a lot of people in that time when the fruit season coming in that time, the people they're not working. All the people they go in the jungle and they start to cut the tree to collect the fruit.
Cut the tree.
Yeah, cut the tree to collect the fruit.
Well, that's
Every
stupid.
fruit season coming.
That's silly.
Yeah,
Cut themselves.
yeah, they cut themselves. So
Short-sighted.
because here they hammer the nail because it's close to the camp. They don't dare to cut it, but on the trail they cut. You saw the big tree that's falling that from the local people cut the tree, collect the fruit. And then the green tree, they can get around $1 to $10 for 1 kilogram for green tree, green
Good
fruit.
money.
Yes.
And how much fruit does one tree roughly have?
I don't know how much, but they can get around $1,000 for 1 fruit.
Wow.
Yes.
$1,000 for one fruit.
Yeah, no, sorry, for 1 tree. Oh
Yeah,
my,
but
yeah, for
That's
one
a lot of
tree.
money.
that's a lot of money, isn't it?
For 1 tree. Yeah, a lot of money.
Just the fruit or
Yeah, they
The
collect only
trees,
the
yeah.
fruit, not the tree.
not the wood?
Not the wood, no. They collect only the fruit. So for the ripe fruit that it's dropped on the ground and we collect it, we can get around 15 to $20 for 1 kilogram. Yes. So because here close to the camp, they just try to cut the branch. They climb
Yeah.
up to cut the branch and collect
That's
the
better.
collect the fruit. But they are the tree far away from the camp. They cut the tree to collect the fruit. Yeah.
Next
And-
time they cannot get.
Yeah.
They could get the cut.
Yeah. So this tree they give fruit only not every year, every 5 years.
But difficult to climb.
Not with
those
nails. They put nails.
Yeah,
there.
yeah, but without.
Without nail or not easy. Not easy. Make it's very hard. It's like a palm tree.
Yeah.
So this tree is interesting like a palm tree. They don't have any branch at the middle stage. Just on the top.
Long way up.
Yeah, long way, and then it's not easy. Very long. So
Wow, it's an amazing view.
one more interesting this tree for the leaf shape. So when they are young here, the leaf shape like this, like a Buddhist tree. But when they grow up around from 2 meters, they change the shape. They like a 3 fork. And then they 3 fork all the way up till they have the branch on the top. The shape of the leaf back to this.
Oh.
Yeah. So this the baby. I show you this the baby. Here the baby. Yeah, but I show you the other tree that change the shape. Here, this one. Look up here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But you can see example. You can see 2 different leaves.
Yeah.
You see it? You see the 2 different leaves? Yeah. This one they don't have any branch, but when they grow up like that, the big one like that, you see the leaf is changed
Yeah.
back to the like a Buddhist tree shape. So it will be have the fruit again in 2029. And then
And is
this
it
one.
always 5 years?
Oh, 5 years, yeah. Even the tree growing different time, but
Yeah.
I think they talk to each other, they wait and then give fruit the same time. Yeah.
Wow.
I know, like wondering, like the tree they growing different times should be every year, but no.
Yeah.
I've been working here 5 years. It's only 2024, 2 years ago, and then so far no fruit at all.
No, 2029.
Yeah, till 2029.
Do you like the fruit?
The
Is
fruit,
it tasty?
yeah, tasty, yeah. So it's like jelly. So you
Can you
chop.
use it for cooking as well then?
No, not
You
not
just
for
eat it?
yeah, not just chop the both side of the fruit and then put it in water, and after that it hydration become like, I don't know how to would say, but like jelly,
Yeah, I know what you
like
mean.
jelly,
yeah.
and then you make dessert. Put
Yeah.
some milk, ice, sugar, and
Like blancmange.
yeah.
Then what do you think? If the people want to get the fruit like that and then cut the tree,
Not like blancmange. Well, a little bit like
what
blancmange.
did you think?
Depends what you add.
I think I would like to try sometime.
Try the food.
Yeah, try the fruit.
No dry cutting.
Not try cutting. No climb. No climb.
All right. Right.
Younger, maybe climb. Not now. Too old.
Yeah.
A lot of fibre in it.
Oh,
Would you
right.
climb?
Yeah, right now you.
Would you climb now?
Oh no.
No, too old?
Not too old, but I don't want to climb it.
Yeah.
I play with elephants when young as well.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Yeah. Tới mình.
Friend Alice,
Because
does it look like a stag's horn? Up there, there's a bird nest.
Oi,
Yeah, I heard.
teasing me.
She's a bit touchy today.
No, I mean like they call bird nest bird because the guest telling me like somewhere in the world they have a tower like that. Is it true?
A towel.
A tower. A tower.
A tower?
Yeah, a tower.
Oh, Dubai. Yes.
Yeah, maybe like this, and then
Dubai just built the tower, didn't they?
Oh, yeah.
Ask Alice, Alice knows.
Yeah.
I
Those
don't
are-
know. They're
Know
teasing me. Because they think I don't know very much.
they make ecstasy from the yellow wine, and then now this yellow wine it's become seriously endangered.
Because of it. Because of drugs.
Yeah, cutting and selling.
Is that the only thing ecstasy is made from? Is that plant?
I'm not sure. Maybe they mix with other thing. I don't know. But they say like they make ecstasy from the
How on
wine.
earth did they work that out?
I thought it was synthetic.
Do you know, Nick?
In the UK, I think.
How do they make ecstasy?
How we used to conversate around it.
They tried to trace here the dark thing. This is what they use to read it. Smoke it or reject it.
You mean like when it's flooded?
No.
Here, big spaces of that hand. And they start from there, very long. Okay. Over there.
How long did that take to grow like that?
They have a branch at the top. They change to this shape.
So that's very sweet.
Yeah, it was 2024, and then it had the fruit and fruit top on the ground, and then all the stuff come here, no gas, and
Yeah.
it comes to collect the fruit.
Eat or sell?
Yeah. So. Andy.